to Taste of Change. I am Dr. Irina Koles. The program is supported by Bazaar Supermarkets in Massachusetts. We're in March and it is still winter, so let's enjoy winter meals, which we will not probably make in summer. Today's meal is broccoli chicken casserole. We'll use ground chicken, broccoli, eggs, tomato, onion, and cheese. This is actually all ingredients. We'll start from cutting the onion. This recipe is on the website weightdestiny.com, and actually you'll see there I write one big onion. But this onion is so big that I don't need it whole, so I'll use only half. This is really, really big one. We'll cut it. The skillet is on. Check it. Yes. We'll cook onion on olive oil until it is goldish. Actually, the recipe on the website says you'll find broccoli turkey casserole. So everything is the same, just the ground meat is today's chicken. That's turkey. You can make whatever you like more, but the rest is all the same, and the outcome is actually similar and great. We'll cut it into small pieces because ground meat creates small pieces, and we want to be everything be. Okay, I put onion into the preheated. Oh, look how nice. Preheated skillet with the olive oil, and do little bit lower right away. So if it starts from 10, we have here the scale of 10, I'll go to 8.5. Tomato, how beautiful tomato I got. We'll use one tomato, and add it there afterwards. I like casserole. When I lived in Israel, it is very popular meal there. And why I like it, and I recommend you start making more casseroles and eat it and serve it for family and friends. First of all, the cooking is pretty simple. So it is not complicated. You mix together several components and you put it in the oven. Another reason is, you see, to watch your weight, you need to have meal at home. People think, and I hear it all the time, no, I'm not going to the supermarket. I'm on diet this week, so I'm not buying anything. I want empty refrigerator. This is a big, big mistake, my friends. Well, it can last maybe one day, but not more. We need food. We need to eat. So you should have meal in your refrigerator. It just should be good meal, healthy meal. Well, at this point, before it is boiled, we'll add cut tomato. And cook it for another maybe 3 minutes until tomatoes are soft. I'm adding a little bit olive oil because it is onion got it all. At this point, let's add a little bit salt and pepper. And let it cook. Look how beautiful, juicy. We have this mix of onion and tomatoes. At this point, we are adding ground meat. Add it in small portions. It is always tricky with ground meat because you need to divide it into pieces, otherwise it is getting all pieces are stuck between. So this is how I do it. With the fork. And we will not cook it for a long time because afterwards it goes to the oven anyway, so we don't want to overcook. The dry casserole is not attractive. It should be juicy. So to keep this juice, oh, look at this. This is so nice. Yeah, fork works very well with cooking ground meat. Well, before I forgot, we'll put salt to meat. And I like adding turmeric. If you like the spice, you can also add it. If not, you don't. So the meat, we need maybe 3 minutes, not more. And when you see that the meat is rare done, so medium rare, it's time to turn it off. You see, it's enough. This mix should be cooled a little bit, so take it of the heat and place on the safe surface. Now, what we need to add is broccoli. I use frozen broccoli. It's easier, simple. You don't need to deal with all this broccoli flowers and boiling, and it is very good quality. Nowadays, frozen vegetables and fruits are very good quality. Okay, we added this green here. It looks even nicer. 5 eggs. Eggs are initial casserole component. It is very important to put more eggs. Now, you see what we have? We have meat, we have eggs. So we have very good protein. We have vegetables, onion, broccoli, tomato, very nutritional meal. So when you come home and you cut the piece of this and eat, you're satisfied. It satisfies your appetite. It's absolutely nutritional and fulfilling. Let's mix it well. If we added 5 eggs, maybe I need to salt it more. I think so. Okay. Mix it well, because it should be homogenic mixture. This mixture got to be transferred into dish like this. I like dishes that you can then serve it the table just into this. Very convenient. They're good looking. Very easy. Well, you see it is kind of liquid because of eggs, but it will be good later. This is it. Now cheese. We want to sprinkle with cheese, so we grate it by ourselves. Yellow cheese, any yellow cheese. I got some new cheese at Bazaar West and it tastes very nice, very good. Any cheese of your choice, yellow cheese, you grate it by yourself, you already know this, or if you buy ready one grated, please pay attention, there is no starch in this. It can be cellulose, it's fine, or nothing, there is no such thing as grated cheese without addition, but please, please, please pay attention. If you see starch there, please do not buy it. Buy a piece of cheese, go home and grate it by yourself. It doesn't take too long and too much effort. Okay, we'll sprinkle it on top. Yeah, I think it's enough. Maybe we don't want much. The oven is preheated to 365 degrees. So it goes there for 35-40 minutes. This is what it takes usually. The temperature is not high. It takes time to make it cook. Broccoli chicken casserole is done. It looks beautiful. It smells amazing. It's nutritional. It is not. It doesn't contribute to weight gain. It is just yummy. Let's see how it looks inside. You can serve it like this, and guests will cut and everyone will take if you like it. So it is very convenient. Let's see how it looks from inside. It's very cute, by the way. This is a piece. It has green inside and a little bit red and cheese, goldish cheese on top. I highly recommend you to cook it. Still, we are still in winter, and enjoy hot winter meal, nutritional, delicious, and healthy. I'm Dr. Irina Koles. You were watching Taste of Change. You'll find the recipe at weightdestiny.com, and more recipes and more videos there and at ActonTV.org. Have a good rest of the week.